Good morning, children. Welcome to your moral science class. Children, today we are going to start our next lesson, that is our disciplined life lesson number 4. Before we begin with our chapter, let us understand the meaning of disciplined life. तो disciplined life का meaning क्या है? Disciplined life means to live the life with proper rules and regulations. ठीक है, disciplined life का मतलब होता है कि जब हम अपनी लाइफ में कुछ rules and regulations को follow करते हैं. ठीक है, चिल्ड्रन, डिसिप्लिन इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. क्यों ज़रूरी है? बिकॉज इट हेल्प अस टू इम्प्रूव आवर हैबिट्स एंड पर्सनालिटी. ठीक है, तो अगर हमारे डिसिप्लिन है हमारे पास तो हम अपने आप को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, गुड हैबिट्स बिल्डअप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, गुड मैनर्स एंड एटिकेट्स आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ डिसिप्लिन. ठीक है, तो डिसिप्लिन हमें क्या सिखाता है कि हमें घर पे कैसे रहना है और हमने बाहर भी कैसे बिहेव करना है. ठीक है, तो गुड मैनर्स एंड एटिकेट्स ये हमारे क्या शो करते हैं कि हम एक डिसिप्लिन्ड बच्चे हैं. ओके, now let's begin the chapter. Page number 17. Anu likes Saturdays and Sundays very much. She need not go to school so she can get up late. Anu got up and looked out. Did the sun rise early today? She enjoyed the shining dewdrops. Children, in this chapter, the main character, that is Anu, likes Saturdays and Sundays very much. Now anyone can tell me why does she like Saturdays and Sundays? Yes, because she has holiday on both these days and she need not go to school and used to get up late on Saturdays and Sundays. So children, why does Anu like Saturdays and Sundays? Because she used to get up late on both these days. While peeping out, Anu is enjoying the shiny dewdroplets, that is tiny droplets of water sparkling in the morning sunlight. Turn to page number 18. Anu, get ready fast. Did you forget what I told you? No, Ma, I am coming. What are you supposed to do today? Anu tried to remember. She remembered Mama's word. There should be an order for life, otherwise we will become very lazy. In this paragraph, as Anu was enjoying the shining dewdrops, all of a sudden her mother called her and instructed her to get ready fast and asked her to recall the things which she was supposed to do. Then Anu memorized Mama's words that there should be an order for life, otherwise we will become very lazy. So dear children, we should always follow a certain order, that is a routine, in order to feel more focused, on track and healthy. So by maintaining some sort of routine in your life, it will help you to stay healthy and feel a closer connection to God. Next, page number 19. Anu thought about her decisions. She looked at the shelf and read her decisions aloud. I will get up early in the morning. I will thank God for the gift of a new day. I will brush my teeth and wash my face. I will take bath and wear clean dress. I will study well. I will obey my parents. I will play with my friends. So children, in this paragraph, Anu wrote few points which she has pasted on the shelf. So children, just like Anu, we should also follow some key points to make our life to move smoothly. So dear children, repeat this mantra to get success in your life. That is number 1. Get up early in the morning. Always thank Almighty God for a beautiful life. Always keep yourself neat and clean. Always obey your elders and respect your teachers and parents. So children, I hope the lesson is clear to you all, and I hope that you all try your best to live a disciplined life. Goodbye.